Mathematics 2A part 48. Last part completed 7 marks, sum of the infinite series model problem completed. Last part model problem once again discussed today class. This is a different formula using this problem. This problem belongs to example problem before exercise 6b. What is the example? Find the sum of the infinite series 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 whole by 5 into 10 into 15 into 20 plus on so on infinity. This one is a problem. In this problem, you can solve this problem previous problem model. That's why first of all, this sum of the series equal to s. Put s is equal to 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 by 5 into 10 into 15 into 20 plus on so on infinity. This one is the value of s. After that you can write expansion model, any one formula model we can write. Here numerator having 2 terms, that's why you can write 1 into 2, 3 into 5 by 1 into 2. Here 5 tens are 50, 50 you can common to 25 twos are 50, that's why you can write 1 by 25 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3. Here 5 into 10 into 15, 5 into 10 into 15 you can common 1 into 2 into 3. 2 ones are 2 fives are, 3 ones are 3 fives are, 5 fives are 25, 25 fives are 125. That's why you can write 125 plus 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, you can write here 20 is there, here into 4 is there, 4 ones are 4 fives are. Here see students, 5 into 10 into 15 into 20 all by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. You can write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 25, 25 25s are how much? 625 plus on so on infinity. After that s is equal to 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 nothing but 2 factorial, 1 by 25 nothing but 5 square, already explained 5 5s are 25, 125 nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. That's why 3 into 5 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3 nothing but 3 factorial into 1 by 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5, already explained here. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are how much? 125. Next 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 25, 5 into 5 25. 25 into 25 nothing but 25 square value 625. 625. You can write 125 nothing but 5 cube plus 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 nothing but 4 factorial into 1 by 5 power 4. 625 nothing but 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 nothing but 5 power 4 plus on so on. After that you can write s is equal to 3 into 5 by 2 factorial into, you can write 1 by 5 square nothing but 1 by 5 whole square. 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 factorial into 1 by 5 cube nothing but 1 by 5 whole cube plus 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 by 4 factorial into 1 by 5 whole power 4. 1 by 5 whole power 4 plus on so on infinity. plus and so on infinity. After that, suppose this is equation 1, this total value sum of the series is equation 1. In equation 1 comparing with, in equation 1 comparing with 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by cube plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus p into p plus q into p plus 2q by 3 factorial into x by cube whole cube and so on infinity is equal to 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. This one is the form. Which form? This one is which form? 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. 1 minus x whole power minus p by nothing, minus all terms are positive. That's why you can write 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus p into p plus q into p plus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube plus and so on infinity is equal to 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. That's why here observe that student, here yes, this RHS part comparing with LHS part of the formula, here first term is not there. In equation 1 RHS part first term is not there, second term also be not there. That's why you can add this equation 1, first term and second term. What is the first term here? First term is 1. What is the second term here? Second term is p by 1 factorial into x by q. Okay students, that's why you can add in equation 1 these two terms, you get this sequence equal to this sequence. After that you can compare, after that you can write formula. Next, here this equation I am comparing with this LHS part. Add equation 1, first term and second term. First term is 1, second term p value is what here? P into p plus q, p value is 3. X by q nothing but 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5 nothing but x by q is 1 by 5. That's why in equation 1, adding on both sides, first term is 1 plus second term is p value is 3 by 1 factorial into x by q nothing but 1 by 5. Adding this term both sides of the equation 1 implies 1 plus 3 by 1 factorial into 1 by 5 plus yes, this term adding yes plus what is the sequence first term? 1 plus 3 by 1 factorial into 1 by 5 plus third term 3 into 5 by 2 factorial into 1 by 5 whole square plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 factorial into 1 by 5 whole cube 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 by 4 factorial into 1 by 5 whole power 4 plus and so on infinity. Here in this equation 1, adding on both sides first term and second term. Here also first and second term, remaining terms are similar. Here this total expansion comparing with LHS part of the formula. What is the value of p? P value is 3. P plus q value is 5. X by q value is 1 by 5. In this expansion comparing with formula LHS part, you get p value is 3, p plus q value is 5, x by q nothing but 1 by 5. After that q is equal to how much here? 5 minus p. Q is equal to 5 minus p value 3, q value 5 minus 3 value is 2, p value is 3, q value is 2. After that x by q value is 2 is equal to 1 by 5, x is equal to 2 by 5. X is equal to what here? 2 by 5. You get p value is 3, q value is 2, x value is 2 by 5. After that this value equal to this total sequence which form? This form. Which form? in this formula LHS form. This LHS part equal to RHS part. What is the value of RHS? 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. This total term is equal to 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. You can write. After that you can substitute p value, q value, x value. Next this total value 1 plus 3 by 1 factorial into 1 by 5 plus s is equal to this expansion is a LHS part of the formula model. That's why you can write RHS part. What is RHS part? 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. In this formula you can write x value 2 by 5, p value 3, q value 2. You get what? 1 plus 3 by 1 factorial nothing but 3. 3 into 1 by 5 nothing but 3 by 5. 3 by 1 factorial value 1, 3 by 1 nothing but 3, 3 into 1 by 5 value is 3 by 5 plus s is equal to 1 minus x value is 2 by 5 whole power minus p value is 3 and q value is 2. After that you can take LCM this two term. 5 is LCM, 5 plus 3 plus s equal to, here you have to take 5 is LCM, 5 minus 2 whole power minus 3 by 2. After that here 5 plus 3 value how much? 8 by 5 plus s. 5 plus 3 8 by 5 plus s equal to 5 minus 2 value 3 by 5 whole power minus 3 by 2. 5 minus 2 value 3 by 5 whole power minus 3 by 2. After that 8 by 5 plus s is equal to, here 3 by 5. Here interchange numerator and denominator. Here interchange numerator and denominator. The sign of the power is changed. Here that what is the power of sign here? Negative is there. That is changed nothing but positive. That's why you can write 5 by 3 whole power 2 by 3. Here whole power 3 by 2, but sign minus sign you can change it plus 3 by 2. After that 8 by 5 plus s is equal to, you can write this one is 5 by 3 whole cube whole power 1 by 2. Whole cube whole power 1 by 2. That's why you can write 8 by 5 plus s is equal to 5 cube nothing but 125 by 3 cube nothing but 27. Correct or not students? 5 cube and 5 into 5. 5 5 is a 25, 25 5 is a 125. 3 cube nothing but 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. You can write whole power 1 by 2 nothing but square root. Separate square root. 8 by 5 plus s is equal to square root of 125 by square root of 27. All power 1 by 2 nothing but square root. You can separate, write down square root numerator and denominator. 8 by 5 plus s is equal to square root nothing but square root of 125 nothing but 25 into 5. Similarly 27 nothing but 9 into 3. 9 into 3. After that 8 by 5 plus s is equal to square, you can separate square root. Square root of 25 into square root of 5 all by square root of 9 into square root of 3. Square root of 25 value how much students? Square root of 25 nothing but 5. 5 root 5 by square root of nothing but 3 root 3. After that s is equal to what? S is equal to 5 root 5 by 3 root 3 minus, plus goes to right hand side, you get minus 8 by 5. This is the value of s. What is s here? S is what here? S value is what here? 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus next term is what? 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 by 5 into 10 into 15 into 20 on so on infinity. This is the value of f. This value equal to what here? 5 root 5 by 3 root 3 minus 8 by 5. This is the another model problem of the sum of the infinite series. This is a different model problems each part. Observe that, students, that these problems are very important problems, the sum of the infinite series by IP examination or board of intermediate examination. Okay students, this is a 7 marks binomial theorem question.